Alright, so this is OnePlus 11 and it's currently available at an amazing discount. Originally this phone was launched at 62,000 rupees and now it's selling at just 39,000 rupees without any kind of bank offers. And that too for the 16GB RAM variant. Unfortunately, at the time of shooting, it's out of stock, but hoping it'll be back soon. OnePlus recently launched OnePlus 12R at 40,000, but that's only the 8GB 128GB variant. Here the OnePlus 11, you are getting double the RAM and double the storage. So today let's find out if you should buy this device over OnePlus 12R in 2024. By the way, if you guys are new to this channel and if you find our content useful to you, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. When it comes to specifications, OnePlus 11 has a clear advantage over the OnePlus 12R. The biggest highlight is QHD Plus Super Fluid AMOLED display compared to the 1.5K AMOLED panel on OnePlus 12R. Both the devices do offer LTPO technology. OnePlus 11 cameras also benefits from Hasselblad tuning. Instead of 8 megapixel ultra-wide on OnePlus 12R, OnePlus 11 offers 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera. Additionally, the OnePlus 11 includes a 32 megapixel telephoto lens that also supports 2x optical zoom. You also get UFS 4.0 storage instead of UFS 3.1. Design-wise, the OnePlus 11 follows the same design language as other OnePlus phones. It weighs around 205 grams, but thanks to the good weight distribution, it doesn't feel heavy at all and it's comfortable to hold. You can also watch content for hours without these curved edges causing more discomfort. The back is protected by Gorilla Glass 5, but keep in mind it can break easily. I had to replace the back myself, but it was affordable, costing just under 5,000 rupees. The OnePlus 11 also features an iconic alert slider, which is incredibly useful. Some of you might think that being a year-old device, software support could be an issue. But don't worry, this phone will receive 4 years of OS upgrades and 5 years of security patch update. It was launched with Android 13, so you'll be covered up to Android 17. Currently, it's running OxygenOS 14.1, which includes the new animation engine, making the OS super smooth. Unlike the latest OnePlus Nord 4, this device doesn't have any kind of bloatwares. The software is so well optimized that even on the curved edges, you won't have any accidental touches. While OxygenOS doesn't have much of customizations right now, but with OxygenOS 15, which will be coming soon for this device, will bring tons of new features and customization options. Overall, you'll have a great software experience with this device, so don't worry about anything related to software. The display is outstanding. It's Quad HD Plus panel supporting HDR10 Plus with the Gorilla Glass Victus protection. In comparison, the OnePlus 12R has Gorilla Glass Victus 2 support. The LTPO technology works perfectly fine. Some people report that issues with LTPO, but remember it functions based on the brightness level. You get the HDR10 support on Netflix and the HDR works great even in apps like YouTube. The sound output is well balanced between the bottom firing and the top firing speakers. On top of that, it supports Dolby Atmos, ensuring a great content watching experience with eye-pleasing color output. You can also enjoy features like special audio, which adds depth and dimensions to the sound. See, the outdoor visibility is not that bad on OnePlus 11, but yes, if you compare it with OnePlus 12R, you might find OnePlus 12R slightly on the better side. The haptics are amazing. Thanks to OnePlus OHaptic engine, the haptics are integrated throughout the entire UI, giving a premium feel to this device. Along with OnePlus 12R, OnePlus 11 also features a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. However, if you opt the OnePlus 11, you'll get 16GB RAM and 256GB storage variant with UFS 4.0 at the same price segment. And you can clearly see a huge difference in the storage test. Towards the left hand side, this is OnePlus 11 and towards the right hand side, this is OnePlus 12R. There's almost double the difference in the storage test. The UFS 4.0 provides faster read and write speed compared to OnePlus 12R, which actually enhances the overall performance of your device. We also performed multiple benchmark testing and I am not at all disappointed with the scores what we get to see on OnePlus 11 even in 2024. Here you can take a look at the benchmark scores which are quite impressive using Geekbench application. With the Antutu benchmark application, device scores above 15 lakh. The CPU throttling is always an issue with OnePlus smartphones, so whenever you enable the high performance mode, almost every OnePlus smartphone struggles while performing the CPU throttling test. We generally perform 100 thread 30-minute test and which is intense. With the Wildlife Extreme stress test, we get stability scores somewhere around 66%. When it comes to gaming, the OnePlus 11 stands out as the only device that allows you to record gameplays with 90 FPS, a feature that is restricted even on OnePlus 12, which is the latest flagship from OnePlus. I've spent a lot of time gaming on this device, primarily playing BGMI, which supports 90 FPS. Trust me, the result speaks for themselves. After continuous gaming for 90 minutes, the device delivers an average FPS of 84.6 frames per second. As I mentioned, screen recording also supports 90 FPS, and while gaming and recording simultaneously, which does put a lot of stress on the phone, this device still handles it well. There may be frame drops in between, but it manages to recover and delivers around 70 plus frames consistently. So again, in terms of performance and gaming, the OnePlus 11 is a solid pick. When it comes to battery, so OnePlus 12R do have an upper hand. This device comes with 5500 mAh of battery, wherein OnePlus 11 have only 5000 mAh of battery that supports 100-watt fast charging. I have consistently been getting over 6 hours of screen on time. With extreme gaming, or you can say continuous gaming, I still get 3 hours plus of screen on time, which is not at all bad. And at last, let's talk about the camera, which I initially told you guys, this device again have an upper hand due to the Hasselblad tuning. OnePlus 11 have a solid triple Sony camera setup. Primary one is the 50 megapixel Sony IMX890. Then we have ultra 48 megapixel Sony IMX 581, telephoto lens which is of 32 megapixel, that's also Sony IMX 709, which also allows you to capture 2x optical zoom pictures, and front camera is 16 megapixel. Another advantage what you'll see compared to OnePlus 12R, OnePlus 12R only lets you record 4K videos, wherein OnePlus 11 lets you record 8K video at 24 frames per second. I know most of us don't record 8K videos, but it's always an added advantage. But sadly, even on OnePlus 11, which was considered as the flagship device of 2023, that device also doesn't let you record 4K videos using the front camera. But that's okay. Let's take a look at the photo samples which we directly click from OnePlus 11. The primary camera is excellent, showcasing vibrant colors, sharp details and strong dynamic range. The camera captures natural colors beautifully, with rich greens and clear blues that makes the scene look lively. The details in the images is impressive, especially in the close-up where the texture and the edges are well defined. The dynamic range is well handled, with both bright skies and the shaded areas retaining the details. With ultra-wide, OnePlus 11 has the ability to capture expensive scenes perfect for a large group event or outdoor settings. The wide field of view effectively includes the entire settings from the stage and the participants to the surrounding environment. Without significant distortion at the edges, this makes the images feels immersive, providing a scene of being present at the event. The portrait shots are excellent, with the sharp focus on the subject and the smooth background blur, creating a pleasing depth of field. The colors are vibrant and the details, especially in water and fur textures, are captured beautifully. These images highlight the strong capability of the camera, making the subject stand out in a natural and a visual appealing way. OnePlus 11 also performs good even in low light. The bright signage is crisp and clear, with no signs of overexposure, maintaining sharpness in the text and the vibrant colors that stands out against the dark backgrounds. The camera handles contrast well, preserving details in both illuminated and shadows areas without introducing much noise. Selfies from OnePlus 11 looks vibrant and sharp. The camera has done a great job capturing details and colors, especially in the close-up shots with the puppy. The outdoor shots also have good lighting and the sky looks beautiful, captured with a clear blue tone. Video recording with the primary lens are also quite stable, and the transition while switching the lenses is super smooth. I don't see detail being washed, everything is on spot. Take a look at the video yourself. And now at last, let's talk about the conclusion. So with no doubt, OnePlus 11, now priced at 39,000 for 16GB 256GB variant, offers the exceptional value, which outshines the newly launched OnePlus 12R. With its superior Quad HD Plus display, Hasselblad tuned cameras, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, it delivers a flagship experience at a competitive price. The device also promised to get 4 years of OS upgrades and 5 years of security patch updates, which also ensures longevity. If you are choosing between OnePlus 11 and OnePlus 12R, the OnePlus 11 better display, camera and its storage makes it a clear winner, especially with this discounted price. But you guys share your thoughts about OnePlus 11 if you are using, and if you are planning to buy, that also let us know in the comment section below. So this is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.